Is it possible to get top-notch security without breaking the bank? Sure thing with the Eufy Security Indoor Cam C120, a budget-friendly solution packed with high-end features. In today's video, we'll be unboxing this smart camera. This little camera captures crystal clear 3 megapixel video with a 125-degree field of view. It also features advanced night color technology, so even in low light, you're getting sharp and vibrant footage. It has digital zoom up to 8 times so you can focus on the smallest details. One of the standout features of the C120 is its customizable activity zones. With this, you can control exactly where the camera focuses its detection, like your baby's crib or the front door, so you only receive alerts that actually matter. And speaking of alerts, the built-in AI does more than just detect motion. It can notify you of excessive noise levels like your baby crying or a loud crash in the living room. Plus, the camera integrates seamlessly with Homebase 3, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa for full smart home functionality. Let's get this opened and see what's inside. Eufy keeps it simple and clean. Right on top we have the quick start guide. It's a simple step-by-step manual to help you get this camera up and running in no time. Here it is, the Eufy Indoor Cam C120. First impressions? It's sleek, compact, and weighs less than 1/4 pound. This black and white cube design is perfect for blending into any room, whether it's your living room, kitchen, or nursery. Eufy also adds a mounting bracket and screws for ceiling or wall installation. If you prefer a simpler setup, there's a self-adhesive backing for easy placement, so there's no drilling required. Next, we have a USB adapter and the USB cable. Since this is a corded electric camera, you don't have to worry about replacing batteries. Just plug it in and you're good to go. To sum it up, inside the box you'll find the Eufy Security Indoor Cam, USB adapter, USB cable, a mounting bracket, screw pack, and a quick start guide. Everything you need for a quick and hassle-free installation. Pairing the camera to the Eufy mobile phone app is fairly easy as long as you got Bluetooth enabled and you know your Wi-Fi information. Now that we paired the Eufy Indoor Cam C120 with the Eufy Security app, it's time to see what this little thing can do. Let's dive into the features and show you why this camera is a must-have for your home security. First, let's check out the live view. The C120 delivers a crisp 3 megapixel video, which is a higher resolution than most standard 1080p cameras. Just look at the detail. You can even make out small objects across the room. With the 8 times digital zoom, you can focus on specific areas or details like a package on the floor or your pet lounging around. The image remains sharp even when zoomed in. So that's a wrap on the Eufy Security Indoor Cam C120. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's looking for affordable home security. Be sure to subscribe for more unboxings like this one, and let me know in the comments what tech you'll like us to explore next.